Hello everyone. Do you want to create a smooth, professional animation in PowerPoint that instantly grabs attention? In this video, I will show you how to design a clean 3-level podium animation where each block rises beautifully. Third place, second place, and finally the winner. It looks modern, subtle, and perfect for presentation, charts, awards, or ranking slides. Alright, let's begin. First, insert rectangle shape. Hold the Shift key and draw a perfect square. Remove the outline, add color of your choice, and open Format Shape. Under 3D rotation, pick the preset name of axis 1 top. Then go to 3D format and increase the depth to 100 points. Next, add text box on top of the shape. Center the text. Increase the font size. Make it bold. And apply a subtle shadow from text effect. There is transparency for a clean, realistic feel. Now, select both the text and the shape and align them perfectly. It's time to create the other podium levels. Duplicate both the shape and the text. Send the new block to the back from Arrange. Increase its 3D depth to 200 points. Change the fill color and update the text to 1. Duplicate them again for the third block. Send it to the back and fill. Update the text to 2. Also adjust the color. Increase the depth to 150 points so all 3 podiums look distinct. Now let's add the masking layer. Select the freeform shape tool and draw a custom shape covering the lower part of the podium blocks. Remove the outline and fill it with white. This acts like your stage front, hiding the lower part of the blocks. Now, duplicate the slide. Select the third place block and its text and move them slightly above the marks. This becomes the first animation step. Go to Transition and apply Morph for smooth movement. Duplicate the slide again. Move the second place block and its text upward. Duplicate the slide again and move the first place block upward. Now, add explanation text for each position. On the slide where the third block rises, add the description for number 3. On the next slide, add the explanation for number 2. On the final slide, add the explanation for the winner. Finally, return to the first slide and play the slideshow. You now have a clean, professional podium animation that drives beautifully step by step. And that's how you create a stunning podium animation using simple 3D shape, masking, and the morph transition. It's elegant, easy to build, and works perfectly for rankings, awards, achievements, and comparison slides. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment telling me what animation I should teach next. And don't forget to explore more PowerPoint design tips and advanced animation technique right here on the channel. Thanks for watching.